Hey guys, this is Joe Tech from JoeteckTips on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Today I have a set of garden lights for your garden. It's not like any other garden light you've ever seen before, because it's a strange thing. I did get these for free. I do want to take them apart though to verify if it is a user replaceable battery. AAA rechargeable. Home run. 600 milliamp. Okay, so these are the traditional, standard, buy them at Home Depot battery. I mean, I'll have a link in the description below to purchase this and these if you're interested, but that's a home run, so they're replaceable. So if nothing else fails within this thing, which by the way, the wiring is really short, going from the case to the wiring up top. But yeah, it's nice. I like it. Very cool. That's great. So this gets the JoeteckTips Instant Awesome rating. But these are the lights, okay? You could position them in any way you like. They're kind of, sort of adjustable to make them look kind of funky. Instead of all bunched together like this, you could kind of spread them out. There's 4 in a package. Okay, there's 4 in a package, which is important to know. 4. And I'm trying to get this. So this is a solar panel. They're solar charged, but they're real basic. Nothing fancy looking. However, I did request to get these for free and to get 16 of them. It did take some time to get them, all 16. These are the 4 that I did not use, and I'm using that for this particular video. So I have 12 of them out on the property in the backyard, and they look absolutely gorgeous. I recommend getting multiple sets. I have multiple sets here. So each set comes with 4. But I recommend going 4 packs, total of 16 or 12, because it makes the property look incredible. But you need a bunch of them. 4 of them is not going to cut it, unless you have a small bed where 4 will do it. But you would need you need at least a minimum of 8 of these to make any bed look nice or nicer. You may have lights in there already, but you might want to have different lights like this, and you can bend them in different positions. I mean, it sounds silly, but I mean, you could, if you wanted to do that, if you wanted to bend this one down like that, keep these up, and then you can have it look like that kind of shape, if that's what you're looking for. I mean, they are bendable, and you can set it up like that. So it's a really cool product. It does what it says. You know what? Let me see if these are even charged at all. I'll show you what they look like here. Hey Google, turn off the studio. Hey Google, turn off the basement light. There you go.
Turning off the basement.
That's what they look like. Alright, they're not really giving off any substantial amount of light. It's more for ambiance and making it look really cool. So let me lower it down. So that's how it would look like in the garden if you had them. That's kind of what it's all about. Hey Google, turn on the basement light. hey Google, turn on the studio. And I recommend you can leave it off, let them charge for a couple of days. You know, there is a on-off switch on the bottom here, and it is rubberized, so it is sealed, which is nice. Anyway, I do very extensive reviews on products, and because for one I did get it for free, and I do want to do a good job for my client, for my sponsor. If you guys like this video, give me a thumbs up, hit the notification, become a Patreon if you want to become a patron. I have a Patreon link in the bottom. Also, if you want to subscribe to, if you want to not subscribe, if you want to become a member, I have that too. I have a Discord server, bunch of stuff going on here, guys. So hopefully we'll see you next time. Take care.